Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another install video. It's pretty easy though. And what we need is some storage for the back. And there's a couple different ones that you guys can get. You can get the Can-Am one. They have a couple other ones out there, Rifab and Super ATV. But they're not cheap. So they can range anywhere between $200 to $600. So what we did is, I seen a couple of Facebook pictures and stuff like that of people using more of a budget and spending 25 bucks on a bow case. So we figured we'd go ahead and give that a try. That way we can use that money that we were going to spend on something else on the unit down the line. But we picked this up off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's just a Plano bow case, and if you guys can see, it kind of like fits right in here. I'm gonna come on here and show them. So it's almost like it goes there. You really can't tell. Also, what I like about it is it's kind of low profile. It's not real high. And you got some decent storage in here. So you can come up here and check it out. Got some foam in here. And what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to put our tools in here. Whatever we need that we can't fit in the front there, we can just put in the back there instead of using that bag that we used for the Ranger. Because it got kind of muddy. You really didn't want to mess with it. So we figured we'd go ahead and get this box right here and see how it goes. And if it don't work out, it don't work out. It's only 25 bucks. But I figured I'd share it with you guys, give you guys an option on what you guys want to do for your storage needs, and we'll go from there. But it should be a real simple job. Basically, what we're going to do is there's a hole here and a hole here. So we're going to drill 2 holes in the bottom of this, and then on the same side on here, on the bottom of this case, we'll drill 2 holes. And then what we're going to be using, picked up some bolts from the hardware store, and basically how it's going to go. This is going to go down inside the box, and then this washer is going to go up underneath with a locking washer, and that's how we're going to secure it to the back there. So you guys can kind of see. We'll put a hole right in here. Somewhere in that area, we'll drill from underneath, and then this is just going to go down right there. That's going to hold it in place, hopefully. And then we'll go from there. So that's what we're going to be doing. We'll go ahead and get set up. I'll show you how to do this quick install. All right. It's a little bit of a curve there. You guys can see we already got this one in the back there. I wanted to put the 2 on the back first. All right. Got the hole there. There we go. Just drop that right down in there like that. Can see, I'll put that fender washer on and the locking washer, and then we'll be able to tighten everything up. It should work. good. Let's get the last bolt. And that's a quick, easy install, guys. Put that on there. Last one. There you go. What do you think? Let's see. Not too bad. Seems secure. Maybe one more. I think for right now, though, that's enough. You can always add. What do you think? All right, so we got this all wrapped up, guys. You can see where we mounted it. Two over there, two over there. We're going to see how it rides on the next trail and see if it's secure enough. If we might have to add one right here, we're not sure. But we're going to try it like that first. And I think I'm going to leave this in here. That way tools ain't flying around. And the only bad thing I seen with this box is it doesn't open up all the way because of the air intake. So you guys can see back here, the air intake's in the way. So it doesn't open up all the way. But I didn't think it really mattered. And then these right here, we're just going to leave them unlatched because they're kind of a pain to get to, because we mounted it up this way so that we could still get this air box off if we had to get in there and stuff like that. So we wanted it away from that. And so we'll just latch these two right here, and then there's two locks right here that you can put on there too. So nothing's going to fly out. But you guys can see that's how wide it opens, like that. And so we'll probably just be putting stuff in there, air pump. That's good to have with you. A belt, drill, socket set, first aid kit, all that kind of stuff that you guys are going to need if you're on a trail, saw, knife, anything like that. Zip ties. But for 25 bucks, I mean, we're going to give it a shot. If we don't like it, then we'll just go ahead and we'll upgrade later down the road. But if you guys are new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out trying to grow this channel real big. And make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you comment down below, like, and check out our merch store. Get our UTV dirt stuff. And with that said, see you on the next one.